Hi, I'm Vina and I'm actually one of your community counsellors. Why am I dressed up as a cat? To be honest, it was the easiest thing to do and I love Halloween and I always dress up for Halloween no matter what.
I'm Sunny, I'm dressed up as Nicola from the Magnus Archives.
I'm Joe and I'm dressed up as Steed the Gentleman Pirate.
I'm Chris and I've just come as myself because I think I'm scary enough, so I don't need a costume.
And I'm Nikita and I'm dressed up as Frankenstein.
Okay.
I'm Rosa and I'm dressed as Popcorn.
I'm Esme and I'm dressed up as a gingerbread woman.
And what about you?
Jess and I'm dressed up as a dinosaur.
Just the dinosaur.
I just love the whole thing of dressing up and people having fun, and it's nice to see young people just out having fun.
Potentially scaring people if I can achieve that.
Yeah, I'm excited for just like meeting up with a bunch of people and having a great time, you know, dancing around and stuff.
Seeing how everyone's dressed up and stuff, going into like the Halloween spirit.
That sort of Halloween spirit, community spirit, because I think there's not enough community events that happen, and if we can do our bit to help that, then it's got to be a good thing. So yeah.
I'm Helen Lloyd-Jones and I'm one of the councillors, county councillors for Radur and Morganstown. Windsor Gardens is a little bit of land and it's a great place to have a little community get together like we've had tonight.
Are you enjoying today?
As long as the weather keeps off, we'll be fine. We're always here. They come so fast.
This is a barbecue, we're here.
Yeah. We're going to hire ourselves out with these days.
We're getting there. Yeah, thank you. Just cooking the burgers. We've got a fair number. I mean, we could do with some customers now to eat the burgers. Oh, I'm enjoying myself. I love getting smoked.
I am indeed, yes. I'm supposed to be looking after the money. Everything's very easy, as everything's £1.
Yeah, I thought it was really fun, yeah. Oh, I think it's amazing, I want more of them.
It's cool what they do in the evenings on events like Halloween.
Yeah, quite
definitely.
fun. Hasn't
It's
really
great.
started yet, but having a good time.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's been pretty chill and that. It's been fun like hanging around friends.
Yeah.
How would you sum up today in one word?
Engaging.
It's the same thing.
Engaging, yeah, there we go.
So how would you sum up today in one word though?
Superb.
Amazing.
Oh, I think it's been quite spooky, hasn't it?
Relaxed. Bit rainy.
It's been really fun.
Yeah, it's been good to interact with the community and like young people in the area, and I think they've enjoyed it as well, which is good, despite the weather, which is still raining. So
I would sum up today in one word as exciting. I feel like it's an exciting sort of opportunity for the community, and I know they're trying to push the youth provisions in sort of Radur.
I think that it's a really good event because even though it's raining, people are still showing up, and it's good to meet new people. And
my name's Gary Dunning, I'm PCSO, I work at Fairwater Police Station. This is very important because it's bringing people in. You can see from where we're standing, you can see people attracted to what's happening with the music, food and all that sort of thing, and they're coming along, having a chat to the youth service, and at the same time, from our point of view, having a word with the neighbourhood policing team.
Huge thank you to the Cardiff Youth Services for helping and putting this on, and an equally huge thank you to the Radur and Morganstown Association, who've turned up absolutely trumps. I don't know if you've noticed, but they've been cooking the burgers and the hot dogs and generally looking after us in the background. So it's a combined effort, and it's been lovely to see everybody getting together and enjoying.
Just sum up today then.
It's been a great event, a great community event, and it's allowed the youth service to show people in Radur that we're here and that we're looking to do more work in the future.